Hey everybody! Today I'm super excited to dive into a product that has completely transformed my cleaning routine, the Roborock Q8 Max. Okay, let's get into it. From the moment I unboxed the Roborock Q8 Max, I had the sense that this was going to be far different from any other robot vacuum I've ever used. Remember how older models would aimlessly bump into furniture, walls, and pretty much everything in their paths, making all kinds of noise? I used to joke that it was like having a hyperactive pet trying to clean up. But this, folks, is a whole new ball game. The first thing that blew me away about the Q8 Max is how smart it is. When I turned it on for the first time, it was almost mesmerizing to watch. It moves with such precision and grace. Instead of randomly zigzagging around, it smoothly glides all over, avoiding obstacles as if it already knows my house by heart. I actually found myself talking in a normal voice, carrying on my day without that disruptive background noise. It's kind of like having a quiet, efficient little helper who knows exactly what needs to be done. There's one particular instance that stands out to me. I was cooking dinner while the Q8 Max was doing its thing in the kitchen. Now, usually, I'd have to pause what I'm doing because the noise from my old vacuum would be unbearable. But with the Q8 Max, it was so quiet and efficient that I almost forgot it was there. It got into all the tight corners, navigated around my kitchen island, and left the floor practically gleaming. It's such a relief to have a device that can keep up with the mess and not add to the chaos. But I think what truly sets the Q8 Max apart isn't just the vacuum itself. It's the app that comes with it. This app is a real game changer in making household chores truly effortless. When I first set up the Q8 Max, I watched it map out my entire home with pinpoint accuracy. Over time, the map has only gotten more precise, making each cleaning session even more efficient. One of my favorite features is the ability to customize cleaning zones. If my kitchen needs a quick pass, but the rest of the house doesn't, I can set that up in just a few taps on the app. And those no-go zones? Absolute lifesavers. I've got this tangle of wires under my bed, which used to be like a booby trap for my old vacuums. With the Q8 Max, I just drew a no-go zone in the app, and now it stays well clear of that mess. Now, let's talk about pet hair for a minute. I have 3 pets, so you can imagine the furry battlefield my floors can become. My older vacuums struggled to keep up, often leaving little tumbleweeds of pet hair in their wake. But the Q8 Max is a force of nature. It tackles pet hair like a pro, leaving my floors spotless. I remember during a heavy shedding season, I was skeptical if it could handle the amount of fur, but I was pleasantly surprised. It picked up everything without breaking a sweat. The app also offers real-time tracking, which is just incredibly satisfying. You can see exactly where the vacuum is and where it's been, giving you peace of mind that every inch is getting cleaned. Plus, you can schedule cleanings for when you're out of the house. Imagine coming home from a busy day to a freshly cleaned floor. It's like magic. The level of detail the Q8 Max can manage is astounding. For example, it easily navigates around chair legs and other pieces of furniture without bumping into them. This means no more scuffed furniture or dinged-up baseboards. It's smart enough to recognize obstacles and maneuver accordingly, saving both time and potential repairs. If you're on the lookout for a robot vacuum, the Roborock Q8 Max should be at the top of your list. It's quiet, intelligent, and extremely effective at what it does. The app integration makes it so easy to customize and control, taking the hassle out of cleaning. This vacuum has fundamentally changed the way I handle household chores, and I couldn't be happier with it. So that's my detailed review for you. If you've been thinking about adding a robot vacuum to your home, the Roborock Q8 Max comes highly recommended from me. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope this review helps you in making a decision. Happy cleaning, everyone.